Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making a gimbal type of a device for a 3D scanning app on a phone. So if you're not familiar with 3D scanning apps, essentially what they do is you take pictures of something and take pictures all the way around, essentially going in a 360. And it takes all those pictures, plots points, and then stitches those pictures together to make a 3D image. It's really amazing. I'm really interested in it. I haven't used it for anything professional or to make anything yet, but I'm just highly interested in it and want to get the best 3D image I can. Now, when you take a picture and you're holding the phone going around, the phone is moving up and down, so you don't get the best quality 3D image you can. And I'm trying to make a gimbal type of a device. I know there are cheap options out there on Amazon and stuff, but I'm trying to make like my own gimbal device that essentially makes the image taking much more steady. So when I'm going around the object, I'm not moving up and down, causing the image to come out in horrible quality. And how I'm going to do that is by making a metal gimbal out of ball bearings and square tubing, essentially. So we have square tubing. This is just your square tubing that goes on a metal fence. Now I'm going to take the ball bearing, run a shaft through it, and then put a base on the bottom and then a base on the top for placing items on that I'm going to essentially create a 3D image of. So now, so what that's going to do is the shaft in the center is going to be in place, the ball bearing is going to be moving around it, and then what I'm going to do is put two pieces of square tubing on both sides, or two pieces of square tubing, one on either side. One is going to be to hold the phone right here to image in a 360 motion, and then the other side is going to be a counterbalance and also going to hold a white background, so you get a nice 3D image. It's not imaging useless stuff in the background and making it harder for the app to function, or harder for the app to create a 3D image. You get a nice 3D image of the item you're trying to image. So that's the essential idea. Tell me what you guys think. I'm going to do some welding. If you guys want to see that video, I'm going to go ahead and try to pop that out for you guys as well. But let me know what you guys think. Will it be a good idea? Is it going to be productive, or is it just a hobby type of a thing that's not going to be much use aside from being fun and, you know, imaging useless stuff like nails or screws or stuff in my shop? And if you haven't seen my shop, we got quite a nice shop right here. Welders, we got carpentry tools, we got just a lot of stuff. It's messy, but it's fun. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit the subscribe button.